It was a hot summer day in Mumbai. One of those days when the humidity is so high that you sweat like crazy. I decided to make some fresh, cool lemonade for myself. As I began, a friend of mine called, and in the process of speaking to him, I didn't realize that I made a big blunder. I ended up adding about 5 times the amount of lemon to the water than what was actually needed. God, it tasted so sour that one sip poured into the mouth of an unconscious man would probably bring him back to consciousness. Well, somehow or the other, I had to correct this now, and as much as I wanted to remove some lemon juice out of the water to make it taste perfect again, it was impossible. Because some things in life can just never be undone. There was no way to remove the extra lemon from the water, but there sure would still be a way to fix the problem. The only way to correct the situation was to add 4 more glasses of water and dilute it. And here I was. Instead of 1, I now had 5 glasses of fresh lemonade ready to be served out to 4 more people. And I think life is exactly the same. Sometimes we cannot undo some things that may have gone wrong in our life. Some wrong decisions, wrong choices, wrong investments, wrong words that we may have spoken can never be undone. Not that we shouldn't try. We should definitely give our very best. But after having done what we can, when we cannot reverse things, to still keep trying is like attempting to remove lemon from water. And I think that would be such a sheer waste of time. Instead, we should try to work on adding so many right things in our life that the wrong seems smaller than what it was earlier. When problems seem to be helplessly beyond our control, rather than simply trying to remove them, let us add positivity in our lives and change our experience.